Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well, blessed, and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's that time again of making amazing recipes. And guys, if you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, you are the best. You're the real OG. You guys are just amazing. So today we're going to be making an amazing recipe, and we are cooking fish, guys. So as you can see, that's the whole fish. I have not yet cut. And then we have, so guys, I'm just basically telling you the ingredients. We have some garlic there, coconut milk, because you're going to be making a coconut curry, some tomatoes, salt, some cooking oil, guys, and then we have some onions, red onions, nicely chopped, coriander or dhania. And then in this bowl, guys, we have some spices. We have some curry powder, cumin, and royco. Guys, remember that all the ingredients are in the description box. And I'm going to be having this with some ugali and greens. So I've already made the greens and the ugali. So let's make the fish sauce. And guys, kindly remember to watch the video until the end. Give this video a thumbs up and let's get cooking. So guys, as you can see, I have put my pan on heat with some oil and it's hot enough. So we're going to add our onions and the sizzle, guys, the sizzle in my kitchen. I think that's my best part of cooking. So we're going to really give it a nice stir, and then we're going to leave the onions to cook until they're slightly brown. And once, guys, you've cooked them to be slightly brown, ensure they're not really burnt. So as you can see, our onions are slightly browned, as I had mentioned. So the next thing we're going to be doing is you're going to add some garlic, give it a nice stir, give it a few seconds to cook well, and then we are going to add our tomatoes in that mixture. Once you've added your tomatoes, guys, just give it time to cook really well. And guys, as you can see, our tomatoes are cooked slightly, not completely. And then I'm going to add some salt in there, enough salt to taste, because my fish, guys, doesn't have any salt. Give it a nice stir. And if you don't like your curry being this chunky, blend your tomatoes, guys. So in those tomatoes, we're going to add our spices and let them cook for a while. Once you've stirred in everything, let your spices cook so that nobody has stomach upsets. So we're going to let this cook until it's tender. So guys, our tomatoes are well cooked, they are tender, and the spices are cooked thoroughly at this point. So I'm going to add my coconut oil or coconut cream in there. And I know that some of you are going to ask, what if I don't have coconut? If you don't have coconut, then just continue without it, but the coconut gives this recipe a very nice start. We're going to let it cook. So as you can see, it's cooked well, it looks amazing. And so I'm going to add some coriander, just part of the coriander. Give it a nice stir, and once it's mixed thoroughly, as you can see, once everything is well incorporated, I'm going to reduce my heat. And then once the heat is reduced, we are going to start adding in our fish pieces, but ensure that the heat is a little bit lower. So guys, I cut my fish into enough chunks because my pan is quite small. I know I have said this a million times. You're probably tired of hearing me say it, but we move, guys, we move. We said you work with what you have. So my fish broke as I was cutting it, but nonetheless, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a spoon to pour the sauce on top of the fish. And remember that at this point my heat is on medium low. Just cover the fish nice with the sauce, ensure everywhere is well coated. And as you can see, everything is coated well. Our fish is, by this point, it's cooked, and it's, oh my goodness, this fish was so yummy. My guys, I guarantee you to try. So guys, our fish is ready, and oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Just Look at how amazing it looks, and let me tell you, it tasted even better. It was just top notch. I served it with some ugali and greens, but you can have this with rice or whatever really you like having your fish with. Try out this recipe, guys. I guarantee you, you will not regret it. The spices have, everything is well balanced. I didn't use a lot of condiments, and it turned out finger licking amazing. So try out this recipe, guys. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. Tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here below. Tell me how it turns out, guys. Until next time, I love you guys, and see you in the next one.